Welcome to Medical Field Service, the leading outsourced field service solution for medical equipment manufacturers. Our team of highly trained representatives has expertise in all brands of medical imaging, biomedical equipment, and support systems. Medical Field Service performs medical imaging equipment field service operations on behalf of medical imaging equipment manufacturers, allowing them to expand their sales territories confidently. Our outsourced field service solution is especially useful for new medical equipment manufacturers who don't yet have a field service operation established. Our network of independent service organizations is available to provide support everywhere in the Western Hemisphere, allowing manufacturers to have a wider reach and provide better service to their customers. Our outsourced field service solution has also proven valuable to manufacturers undergoing the Food and Drug Administration's 510(k) process for medical device certification. We provide installation, repair, preventive maintenance inspection, calibration verification, and applications engineering assistance for equipment end users. At Medical Field Service, we pride ourselves on being the only company of our kind offering medical device field service operations to medical equipment manufacturers. With our help, you can focus on developing new products and expanding your business, while we take care of your field service needs. Contact us today to learn more about our services.